Alrighty, so we are out here on an address right now running a tow. It's been a while since we had one, but we're back. Go stick this bastard on the back of the truck and get to towing. Bastard. You know what? Let's push to start. Plenty of fuel, wrecker's going good, love it. Quite nice actually, just the way I like it, so. Chill neighborhood. Not what I expected, but it's better than having some crazy highway with a million cars. See if I can fix that muffler so it's not dragging. Are gonna pass by and they're gonna be like, what's going on here?
Ordena algo ahorita
actually gonna put these lights right here so that they weigh this thing down. They weigh it down so that it stays down. Probably gonna have to give the lift a little more slack. That's better. That's good. Yeah. ¿En serio? No podemos salvar ese muffler también, apá. Give me a second. I gotta take the camera off the back. I hate it when the trailers are right there and they're always freaking in the way. It drives me nuts. It just drives me absolutely insane. Yes, it happens, but no, the trailer. The freaking trailer right there. ¿La miras? Yeah, but why do you park there? Like in the worst spot. Yeah, but that's like a bad spot. That's a really bad spot. Thank you. Ah. God damn it. You see what I mean? That's why I took the camera off, because it would have just fallen off. Huh. Got a nice drink. Actually gonna have to get the old mini light bar up the top. Show you guys some footage, old footage of the wrecker with the micro light bar. Most people tell me, why don't I have a modern truck, a newer wrecker? Why don't I have one of those? You know, an old autoloader. And so I tell them, at the moment, I just can't afford it. And at the same time, I quite enjoy having to, you know, do all the work myself. Especially with towing, like this kind of towing, where you're doing customer tows and not repo or anything. Repo, PPI. private property impounds, and all sorts. You don't really need to be that quick. You know, you're working for the customer. They know you're picking up the vehicle. It's voluntary. And so you don't really need a truck like that. Most people like to have trucks because they do double work, but I don't. PTO's off. There's another one of them, my competitors. Oh, come on, you bastard. There we go. Gotta get the pin out of this thing so I can check this thing out. Extract the L-arm. There we go. Let that clear. Push this one in. It's at moments like this where an autoloader is best. You're not sitting here trying to pull pins out and shit. You're just burp, 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 done. Do everything all in one motion. Me? Nah. I don't need to. Like I said, I'm not doing impound. I'm not doing repo. Okay. Next, we're gonna have self-operating tow trucks. That'll be the new nightmare of the world. We already got Teslas going 1,000 miles per hour on the freaking streets, taking out like freaking 1-ton missiles, literally 2-ton missiles. Sorry, literally you got 2-ton freaking missiles going through the streets, not controlled by people. And then here I am with the 7-ton missile. But at least I'm under control of it. I'm not, you know, just going at it. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. World's changed. World's different. And as is life. You know, it ain't actually difficult to drive a wrecker like this. You just got to be wary that you've got a 2-ton, 3-ton, 4-ton, no, mostly 3-ton. You know, you've got a 3-ton freaking car on the back of it, and so you got to be wary of that. I want to get the GoPro case for my GoPro 10, the one on my head, so that it's nice and protected, because when I'm working on cars I sometimes bonk the camera. Damn, it's a nice Power Stroke IDI, so yeah, there's blah blah blah, all sorts of crap, diesel things. Anyway, that's Dennis. He you guys saw him in a earlier video. How much weight will it take?
It depends on how far out you have it.
Yeah. We took some cars to his lot. We're holding them there. Nice guy.